Hi, welcome you all for today's session. Today I am going to discuss about multidimensional data model, or which is also called as a data cube. A data warehouse or online analytical processing tools mainly based on the multidimensional model, which views the data in multiple dimensions, that is in the form of a data cube. A data cube which allows the data to be modeled and viewed in multiple dimensions. So again, a data cube or multidimensional model is nothing but it is a collection of dimension tables as well as the fact tables. It is a collection of dimension tables as well as the fact tables. So dimension table is nothing but where we have dimensions are there, like item is a dimension table, time is a dimension table. Where item is having these other attributes, item name, brand, and the type. Similarly, time is a dimension table having the attributes day, week, month, quarter, and year. Similarly, fact table contains the measures. Here, fact table always contains the numerical measures are called as the facts. So the physical structure of the data warehouse is usually a data cube. So why data cube? Because it provides multi-dimensional view, n-dimensional view, and allows pre-computation and fast accessing of the consolidated data. So that some of the dimensions we are already prior we are going to compute or summarization or consolidation, so that fast accessing of the data is possible in the data warehouse. Let us take an example of Allied Electronics company as given in the textbook, which creates a data warehouse, construct a data warehouse to keep records of the sales with respect to the 4 dimensions. Here the dimensions are considered item, time, supplier, and location. The database name is called as the All Electronics database. So each dimension may associate a table called as the dimension table. Already I said item is a dimension, time is a dimension, right? Sales is a dimension. So item is a dimension, these are the attributes. Similarly, a data cube is organized around central themes called as the fact tables. So fact table is nothing but which having the numerical measures as a facts. So sales is a fact table. So dollars underscore sold and the units underscore sold are the numerical measures. In data warehouse, data cube is n-dimensional and which is combination of dimensions and the fact tables. Before going to directly start with the data cube or the multidimensional model, let's start with the 2D cube to the ND cube. So in the same above example, in all electronics example, initially I am starting with the 2 dimensions. One dimension is the time, other dimension is the item. So what is the quarterly sales of the particular item, home entertainment, computer and phone and the security in a city called as Vancouver. Okay, I would like to represent 2-dimensional view of the item sales details. This is the sales details in 4 quarters. So for example, computer. So 825 computers were sold out in the first quarter Q1. So this kind of representation is nothing but the table format or the spreadsheet format is nothing but 2D view. So let us move to the what is 3D view. So here I am going to take one more dimension. So in the previous one, I discussed about only in the Vancouver city. Now I would like to see the sales details about the 4 cities. So see this one, this is the diagram already we discussed 2D view. So home entertainment, computers in a particular city. Now I'm going to take 4 cities, Chicago and New York, Toronto and the Vancouver. So that instead of time and item, I'm going to introduce a 3rd dimension. This is a 3rd dimension. So with respect to our 3rd dimension, this is the representation of the 4 cities, okay, location, item versus time, 3D view. This is called as a 3D view of the sales details of All Electronics company. So same 3D view, we can also represent in a cube format. This is a cube format. The before one is spreadsheet or the table format. Now gradually I'm moving to the cube format. See this one here, item is taken in this direction and time is taken here, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, and location is New York, Chicago, Toronto, and Vancouver. So same table data I represented here as in the form of the cube. So in this cube, each cell is holding the numerical measure of the fact. So each one is fact. So this one is dimension, this one is dimension, and this one is dimension. So we can represent numerical measures or here. These are called as the fact. So the data is around the central theme called as the facts. Now, let us move to the 4D view. So in this 4D view, instead of only item, time, and the location, I'm going to introduce the fourth dimension is the supplier. So in the previous diagram, only one supplier related 3D view we discussed, right? Now I'm going to discuss about the another supplier 2 in another branch, supplier 3 in third branch, third supplier. See this one, if we observe this one, 3D is a collection of 2D data, whereas 4-dimensional data is a collection of 3-dimensional data. See this one, the 4D cube representation of the sales data as per item, time, location, and the supplier. So this is a collection of 3-dimensional data cubes is nothing but 4D cube. So similarly, collection of n-1 data cubes are nothing but n-dimensional cube. So in n-dimensional data cube, we have number of dimensions are n-1. So in data warehousing literature, a data cube is also represented as a cuboid. So for given set of dimensions, we can generate a cuboid for each of the possible subsets. So what we are going to do, we are going to do the possible dimensions. We need to generate the cuboids. How many cuboids are possible? And at each cuboid level, we are going to do the summarization and the group wise. Summarization. That is nothing but group wise. So the resultant lattice of cuboid is called as a n-dimensional data cube. So that as the number of dimensions are increased, we cannot represent like this visibility. So that we go for the n-dimensional data cube, which is nothing but always n-1 cuboids are there in that one. So the cuboid that holds the lowest level summarization is called as a base cuboid. At the topmost zero dimension, and at highest level, whatever number of dimensions you have taken, that combination of that one. So which holds the highest level of summarization is called as the apex cuboid. So that base cuboid, apex cuboid. The lattice of cuboids form a data cube. Let us see about what is lattice of cuboid. This is called as a lattice of cuboid. This is the lowest level of summarization of the cuboids. This is the highest level of summarization of cuboid, which is also called as apex. Lowest level of summarization is called as a base cuboid. See this one, initially time is a dimension, item, location, and the supplier. Here each one is called as a cuboid. So this is group by time, group by item, group by location, or summarization of the location. We'll get the data. That is called the only one dimension we are going to consider. Here two dimensions, time and item, time and location, time and supplier. So the combination item and location, item, supplier, and location. This is called as this level is called as a 2-dimensional cuboids. This is 3 dimensions, combination of the time, item, location, time, item, supplier. See this one. In this level, all these are the 3 dimensions are involved at each cuboid. So finally, 4 dimensions are involved, because in our example, we consider the maximum number of dimensions are 4. So the summarization of the 4 dimensions are represented here. This is called as a base cuboid or the 4D. So similarly, suppose if you are taking the n-dimensional, it is a collection of n-1 cuboids. So this is the representation of the lattice of cuboids of the data cube in data warehouse. Thank you.